Sam Subi ol DPC wa Hima Division district ya Kasese nagira ngo esande mwehwire bakaja urukiko n'aba LCs kandi no mu rukiko niho barangirire ngo abantu bona abine mbundu omuhenda baragiro bazgarre bucyari kare.
And one of the priority item on the agenda was the recovery of guns that were lost. And I want to thank you that this meeting is yielding fruit. We encouraged people to come and hand over these guns. Whoever knows who has that gun, inform the person who has it to come and abandon it in a conspicuous place or a place that is easily observable so that security can pick this gun.
DPC Subi nagira ngo mbunde kwasarwe nemwa hariezo ezayisira abasirikare omare ba subcounty kandi abantu abagarireji yabashaba n'izindi bazgar.
And I'm very happy that today in the morning this gun has been recovered, and it is one of the guns that was lost from a police officer in Imariva who was killed. I would like to continue and encourage you that these guns are still out there. We still have guns that are missing. They are still out there. Do the same and bring them back.
Major James Mwesigye or RDC wa Kasese nagira ngo okuranagana okwabira mu Kasese kukaretere mbundi zikuki 19 zavuzamesha. Major James nagira ngo hati nkabyo kwerinda bari no bakora cyo n'ikikubasika kureba ngwe mbundezi zagaraka zaboneka. Obwa hati ahambundu 19 ezavuzire babwino 17
zari mundu 19 kati tufunye ku 16 banga batu na 15 kati tufunye nayo 16 wacyabuze 3 naye njagala kubira omulanga abantu babusongola north ntinesiga nesa tubazirete tusobola kufuna emirembe mijufu mu kitundu kyonna.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi district ya Kasese.